Okay, so this is our first run in the new off-grid Battery tap stainless steel jacuzzi bath. Yeah, usually go for about an hour. You can see the fire in there and nicely. Okay, like I said, it's about an hour. The water's starting to warm up now. Yeah, lovely. And then I've connected to this Intex pump and filtration system. Quite an inexpensive pump, and it helps with the filtration of all the dirty elements. And I think it will decrease the time to warm up because you need to get some circulation in the bath, get the warm water away from the heater so that the cold water can get there and get some circulation in the hot and warm combination. So these valves are supplied with the tap, but the pump not. I've connected this into my off-grid camping solar panel, 200 watts. I've got this battery pack here running, and at the moment it's pulling 17 watts from the sun, and the pump is only pulling 91 watts. So this thing will run the whole day as long as the sun is shining. So this is totally off-grid. The solar panels and the battery packs obviously quite expensive addition, but yeah, I've got it for my other stuff, so it's part of my whole camping system, and I think it's running quite smoothly and nicely. Yeah, so hello to my little daughter. She's also here to enjoy the first bath today.